disappointed crowd. Now Benny getting up and heading for the exits as Augustine able to connect. Augustine, big first half. He was terrific in that first half off the bench. And he had 15 points. Actually, now it's 16 in 12 minutes. Despite his bad decision moments ago. West tips it out. That'll do it. The Indiana Pacers, after clinching Game 6 on the road Friday night, come and start the Eastern Conference semifinal with a road victory here at Madison Square Garden. And quiet the Knicks crowd to take Game 1 of this best-of-7 series. A impressive road win for the Pacers. Carmelo Anthony, he's been getting bumped all game, including a camera fit as he walked off the floor. He had 27, but just 10 of 28 from the field. As the Pacers able to come in, led by
Tuesday, and we're going to increase our chance for some patchy drizzle and then eventually some rain as we get into the middle part of the week. Here it is in our future cast. So we'll have some clouds coming in as we get into the day tomorrow. I think we'll do battle with the clouds along the coast, areas to the north, like in northwest New Jersey and up towards Sullivan, Ulster, and Dutchess counties. You guys will probably see a lot in the way of sunshine throughout the day. In the afternoon, we'll see those clouds kind of retreat, so we'll get more sunshine coming in here just in time for it to set. And in fact, I think it'll be a spectacular sunset tomorrow night. And then as we get into Tuesday, the clouds will return. They'll start to thicken up, and we have the chance of some patchy drizzle as we start the day on Tuesday. Then towards the afternoon, I'm going to throw in the chance for a couple of isolated showers, especially north of the city, but it's really on Wednesday that I'm expecting the rain from this system.